One of the biggest struggles we face in life is space. Space in your car, space in your bag, and of course, space for all your data. As far as space for your data is concerned, Seagate has you covered, thanks to the Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Slim hard drive. Accidents happen. And if you manage to drop your drive, then you need not worry. Seagate provides 2 years of free recovery when you purchase the Ultra Slim drive. The recovery service is called Rescue. The Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Slim is available in 1 and 2 TB storage options. The 2 TB variant of the hard drive is the slimmest there and measures 9.6 mm. The hard drive is stylish with a honeycomb design, ensuring that it stands out from the crowd. It is available in platinum and gold color options. If you have a Mac, you don't need to format the hard drive. Just plug it in and use the Paragon software to ensure smooth compatibility between Windows and Mac. If you are planning on getting creative with Adobe Creative Cloud Photography, then Seagate has you covered. When you purchase the hard drive, you get complimentary 2 months of Adobe Creative Cloud Photography plan to test out. If you already have a subscription, the 2 months are added to it. Apart from this, the Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Slim drive comes with an interesting software set called Toolkit. This solution allows you to conveniently back up your data to the drive. One of the features of the Toolkit is Mirror. Mirror syncs files in a folder on your computer with a folder on your storage device. Both the folders are named Mirror and will always have the same content. Whenever you add, edit, or delete files in one folder, Toolkit automatically updates the other folder with your changes. This ensures you can complete your work on the go on different computers without having to resort to the cloud. Now, isn't the Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Slim Portable a small drive catering to big needs?